Hello everyone and welcome back to JW Harsh Journey with Harsh, and we are going to continue our topic MS Excel, and the questions we are going to discuss are from 31 to 40. Question 31. In which of the following situations Excel's pie chart should be used? Answer is D. There are no more than 7 categories. Question 32. In a clustered bar chart in Excel, the dash are typically organized along the vertical axis. Answer is A. Categories. Question 33. In which of the following situations Excel's XY chart are not required to be used? Answer is C. Values for horizontal axis are evenly spaced. Question 34. Volume, open, high, low, close subtype of stock charts in Excel requires dash series of values. Answer is C. 5. Question 35. In Excel, a 3D surface chart displayed without color is called a dash 3D surface chart. Answer is C. Wireframe. Question 36. In Excel, if user wants to create a hyperlink to a specific location in the file or the web page, click dash. Answer is C. Bookmark. Question 37. When a record is deleted using a data from an Question 37. When a record is deleted using a data form in Excel dash. The answer is C. It gets deleted and cannot be restored. Question 38. In Excel, the user can sort up to dash levels using the data sort dialog box. The answer is C. 3. Question 39. In Excel, the default criteria setting for AutoFilter in each field is dash. Answer is D. All. Question 40. External data source for an Excel workbook can be dash. Answer is D. All of the above. Thank you everyone, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notifications from my channel. Thank you.